How to fix Brother Printer showing data remaining in memory. So first of all, you can go ahead to your search bar over here and just type in control panel. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of possible queues just in case this is what was causing the problem. So go ahead to your control panel, hardware and sound, or as long as you get into the devices and printers. Or of course, you could go ahead directly into your settings and search for your devices over here, since it pretty much just brings you in the same place. But once you're here in your printers and scanners, choose the printer that you're having this problem with and open up the print queue. And once you've opened it up, just make sure everything is cleared. So make sure there's 0 prints on queue. And once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and try resetting your printer. Now, to reset your printer, it usually just depends on what kind of model you'll have, but you'll be able to know how to reset if you get your manual. So first of all, go ahead into your Brother website. So go to your preferred browser and just search for Brother over here, and you're gonna have to select your region and country in order to continue. So go ahead to whichever country or region you're from, and you can search by category, but you'll be able to see the manual options anyway. So go ahead over here to manuals and make sure you choose the specific printer you have. So let's say you have an MFC T810W, you can choose that printer, or you can go ahead and search your model name over here. So type in whatever model of your printer is and then just go ahead and press on search. But once you have found your specific printer model, you'll be able to see a reference guide, an online user's guide, and other manuals you could use. But the main one you want is usually just the reference guide or the online user's guide. These usually have the step-by-step instruction on how to reset your specific Brother printer model. But those are a few things you can put in mind if you're having this problem with your Brother printer. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.